Aromatouch, the Aromatouch massage blend is one of those blends that I always take with me when I go on vacation, especially to a hotel with a spa where they have massage therapists. And I always take my own oil to have a massage. Because, you know, they're well-meaning, but oftentimes the oils that massage therapists use are not the best grade, not the best quality. So I always tell them, you know, just use your carrier oil, and could you use a couple of drops of my personal oil while you give me a massage? And it's never a problem, and I love it. And I actually think I've had a few conversations with them. They were like, oh, what is this? This smells so good. It feels good on my hands. So yeah, Aromatouch massage blend is, as it already says, you know, it's great for your muscles and your joints. You know, it's great to get a massage or to give a massage. It has cypress in there, grapefruit, lavender, basil. So these oils, when you think about their combination, they're helping our body systems or our fluid systems like the lymph system to do its work properly, to, you know, get everything moving in the body. So that's why I love to use it even before I feel like, oh, I might get sore, you know, while I have been very active outside in the garden or schlepping the kids around all day. Then especially here on my shoulders, I love the Aromatouch blend. It also has peppermint in there, so it's a little bit cooling as well and refreshing. And I don't use it in the diffuser a lot, but I like to smell it out of the bottle every now and then. Because as I said, the combination of those oils, it's kind of uplifting and grounding at the same time, but I find it gives me a little energy boost. And it's also one of those blends that some pregnant women who feel nauseous during the day like to smell, because it's, again, it's refreshing but calming at the same time. So this is great for our nervous system. And what else can you do with the Aromatouch? Oh, talking about pregnancy. While I was pregnant with my two girls, they were both born in July. So it was pretty hot right before they were born. And my legs started swelling a little bit, you know, going into the cankle direction when the calves and the ankle kind of turn into one thing. And I love to give myself massages. I personally massage it upwards to help me with that, and especially when the legs feel heavy after a long day, you know, while you're on your feet all day. Try to give your calves a massage. You like some massage with your Aromatouch blend. You could also use it in the bathtub with some carrier oil or some sea salt, but I personally find it a little bit too cooling because it has the peppermint in there. But if it's, you know, hot summer and you want a little bit of more like a cooling effect in the bath, absolutely, go for it. So great if you like to exercise and help your muscles recover. Great for your massages. Great for, you know, getting the fluids in the body moving. Don't be surprised if you might, you know, run to the bathroom a little more when you start using it. And yeah, this is Aromatouch, and I'm always super curious to hear what you do with the oils.